Hey travelers, and welcome to Tripping with Amadi. If you are new to my channel, I revisit some of my fun and exciting times during my travel while I help you out on yours. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I spent during my London trip. If that interests you at any point in time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. So this is what we spent on our Airbnb as well as excursions for 2 people. So it summed up to around $2,100. So the first thing that we did is we went to the Tower of London, where it's the Jotunheim tour. So these are individuals who protect the crown jewels and protect the Tower of London. Then we went to the London Eye. It was okay. Honestly, not the best Ferris wheel experience that I had, but hey, if you want to do it, $40. So then we went to the British Museum and we saw the Rosetta Stone, and the British Museum goes based off of donations. Then we had high tea or afternoon tea at the Rubens at the Palace. So it is an afternoon tea area. I really did enjoy this. I think it was worth the money. Kind of expensive, I will say, but we were right behind Buckingham Palace, and because I do not eat meat or dairy, they have actual vegan menu, so it was really appreciative, and the food was really good, and the sweets were really great. And we did like a random thing and we went to go see Wicked, but the tickets were really good. So $60 per person at the West End, and we had a ball. Neither of us have seen Wicked before, so it was kind of like a random on the moment thing, but it was fun. Then we went to Westminster Abbey, so it was a whole tour of seeing Big Ben as well as going into the Parliament. And then we went over to Brixton for a free tour, and we actually was able to see like a collaborative communal gym and daycare center, so that was part of the tour as well, so that was pretty cool. And the Black Archives around the area is free. And one of my favorite parts of our time in London is going to see the Harry Potter experience. Yes, I'm a big Harry Potter nerd. Don't judge me. It was really great. $100 per person. We had the time of our lives. Well, at least me. My mom hasn't actually seen all the movies. I've seen them all and read 4.5 books. And then my mom just really wanted to go on the Thames river, so we did a Uber hop on, hop off. It was kind of gloomy that day, but she had fun, so hey. And then before we left on our flight, we did the changing of the guards. And just some additional information in terms of transportation. We did a lot of taxis, but we did take the train a lot often. So the tube was around $2 to $5 depending on your location. So if you want to get around that way, that's really helpful as well to save money. So hopefully this is helpful for you. I did want to find out my flight information, but it was hard because I deleted the email, but it was around $600, but I wanted to give you the exact price, so I didn't put that up there. So in terms of other videos, there's going to be a breakdown of what I actually did. So there, I'm going to have some vlogs about my London trip as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and make sure you come back. Bye.